Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin Cash. As in my earlier video of Bitcoin Cash, I was showing you that after the breakout from a down channel, recently Bitcoin Cash broke down the support of a broadening rising wedge pattern. And this was my last video that I shared almost 2 days ago with you. Now let's move to the live chart. And this is daily time frame. And this was the broadening rising wedge pattern that we broke down. And I was telling you that the target for the breakdown will be here at the bottom of the wedge that is approximately at $404. And by the way, here we have also found a short-term support as well that was recently breaking at a resistance here for several days. And now after the breakout, it is flipped into a support. The previous resistance is now breaking as support. We had a bounce here. And now recently after this breakdown, price line read the target for the breakdown and also bounce very well from the support. And now we are moving between the support and resistance, the long-term resistance of $500 and this short-term support of $404 as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. I would also like to show you once again this previous breakout from this down channel that has happened here on the same daily time frame chart. And we will also take a look at the huge breakout that has happened on the 7 days time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for SSV network, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can watch the complete trade setup, like the buying on and the sell targets on and the stop loss. And you can also watch when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 14th of November 2024. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like the buying on, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let me take you to the live chart of Bitcoin Cash. And here, previously we have been following this breakdown from this broadening rising wedge pattern. You can see that we found a resistance here on 15th of October. In fact, on 14th of October, and we found the support here on 13th of November 2024. And finally, we broke it down. And after the breakdown, the price and has read this target for this breakdown that was here at the bottom of this broadening rising wedge pattern. That was approximately at $404. And here we also have a short-term support and resistance as well. You can see that for the past several days, it was working as a resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, and here. And now after the breakout, it is flipped into a support. You can see that we had a bounce here, and now recently we have another bounce here as well. And now it is moving between the long-term resistance of $500 and a short-term support of $404. For example, if the price breaks down this short-term support, then it can test this uptrend line, long-term uptrend line support as well. And if you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this uptrend line support has been previously breaking as a resistance here from the month of October 2022 up till the month of April 2023. And after breaking out here, by the way, in the month of June 2023, we broke it out. Since then, it is flipped into a support. Now, if we take a look at the recent breakout from this down channel, then you can see that so far the price line did not hit the target for the breakout from this channel that I have been telling you in my every video. Was here at the top of the channel, approximately at here at $690. And by the way, almost there, approximately at $700, by the way, this target will be. And from $700 to $800, we have a quite long-term resistance on as well. And it has been previously working as a resistance here, resistance here, and resistance here. And again, it can work as a very strong resistance. Recently, it was also working as a resistance here as well. And the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be somewhere between $1,600 to $2,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.